What's up, trader? Probably you have heard always we are talking about the trading takes time. But do you know that there is something that you can do today to instantly improve your trading result? Yes, in this video, I will share with you 5 things that you can do today to improve your trading result instantly. Now before I begin, make sure you smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet. This is Forex Wizard from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Without further delay, let's get started. Okay guys and girls, the first thing that you can do to instantly improve your trading result is don't watch the running trades or PNL. Why? Because when you open a trade, either it's in a drawdown or in profit, the trade will never move in one direction all the time. Sometimes you might have, but in most cases you will see that the trade is doing a lot of up and down. This is the normal phenomena in the market. But as a human being, when we see that our account is going up and down, sometimes you see the trade is in profit, sometimes is in loss. That's how the trade will move. Sometimes you see that almost hitting the profit target and the trade has come back to the entry again went back to the hitting the profit target. So our mind cannot hold that emotion sometime. Okay, if we don't have enough experience, even with the experience, the emotional trigger for going up and down is huge. And this is the main technique that I use in my trading. I normally set my stop loss properly, entry, profit target, do the proper risk management, and then I forget it. And this is the main key points that many trader does in their trading. And this is the thing that you can do instantly. That there is a lot of bad decision comes from when we watch the trade over and over again. That it is a little bit counterintuitive. I know that we think that okay, the more I will manage, the better, isn't it? No, the less you manage is better. I mean, you need to manage the risk properly and then let the trade run by itself. Let the market do your job, and that's how you can remain detached from the trade and focus on something else. And that is the best way that instantly you can improve your trading result. Trust me, if you are trading for some time, probably you already have seen that by watching a trade over and over again, ultimately we made a bad decision. Most of the time this happened to me. So once I stopped watching the trade, it really improved my trading result dramatically. So try that today. You will see that there will be a dramatic change in your trading result. Okay, the second thing that you can do to instantly improve your trading is do proper lot sizing. Trust me, I saw that many traders don't do that. They just normally say, I saw the trader who has a very smaller account, they randomly always buy or sell 0.1 lot or 0.01 lot. Very few traders do the proper lot sizing. So you can find a lot of free websites such as myfxbook.com. there is an apps version also available, or you can use a risk manager lot size calculator in your MetaTrader 4 account or wherever you are using. You need to do the proper lot sizing for the particular people stop loss. You need to find out how much lot size for a particular risk you need to buy or sell. Keep in mind that the best way to stay consistent is always to lose same amount of money. Let's say if your risk is $20 per trade or 1% per trade, always keep this consistent same amount of loss but bigger profit, or at least equal profit if it is a high probability trade. And that's how you can stay consistent. And to do that, you need proper lot sizing calculation. Because let's say if you always buy or sell 0.1 lot or 0.01 lot, it will be a huge difference when you're trading gold or maybe trading oil or euro dollar, there is a huge difference will come in your profit and loss, and then you can't be consistent in your trading. So do the proper lot sizing to instantly improve your trading from today. Third thing that you can do to instantly improve your trading is trade less. Yes, the trading, you see, everything I'm saying is counterintuitive. That's what it is. We know that more is more. If you have a physical shop where you are buying or selling apple or any product, what do you think? The more sale will come, the more trade I will do, the more money will come, right? But in trading is the other way around. The less trade with high quality is better. If you are trading for some time, probably already have seen this by your own eyes, that most of the time we had some good trades, but this money that we take out from the market with good profit is taken again, eaten by some bad trades. Okay, and this happens when we started to win. I saw that many times when it's a long journey. When I started out, when I was losing a lot of money, I saw that when I had a couple of wins, I start to increase trading automatically. It happens in our mind, so it feels like that I want to take more trades so that it brings more money. Okay, this is how our brain works. Our brain normally works on reward and feedback. Okay, so when we win couple of trades, our brain start to think that, okay, it's a reward. Winning, taking trades means a reward. Money is coming. Let's do it more. That's a normal human tendency. So you need to work on it so that you can reduce your trade. So to do that, keep awareness and stay consistent in your strategy or for a specific setup, so that you can take only specific setup and forget about the rest. And also you can reduce your timing in front of the chart. If you are a swing trader, specific time, or day trader, specific time, and then for the rest of the time maybe focus on something else. Because that's what also I saw, that when if I look too many times on the chart, I convince myself to take more trades. It's a normal. So make sure that you trade less but high quality trade. So that's how you can keep majority of profit in your trading account. So the 4 things that you can do to instantly improve your trading is examine your emotion. But the emotion, the nature of emotion is different for different people. Okay, some traders are maybe emotional trader, like driven by fear. Some driven by greed. So what is your emotional trigger in your trading? Okay, find out what's your emotion behind trading, why you are trading, what caused you to trade, what is the emotional response come to you, what is the trigger that causes you, like sometimes losing money or over trade. So everyone has a different kind of emotional response behind trading, and you need to find out what's your emotion. And no one can tell you ever that what's your emotion. You need to examine it by yourself. Even by studying, by understanding strategies, everything, unless you create a self-awareness, if you don't do the self-reflection, it is not possible for you to understand your emotion. So take some time to do the self-reflection. Ask yourself why I have taken this trade. Probably you do a couple of losing trade, then how do you feel? Why do you feel that? Or probably you feel like taking too many trades. Ask yourself, why am I taking this trade? What is the reason behind this emotion? Is the couple of losing trade is causing this? So that's how you need to ask yourself question, create a self-awareness, do self-reflection, and that will help you really instantly improve your trading once you do that. So the 5th and final thing that you can do to instantly improve your trading is leave your trading desk immediately when you have an emotional trigger. This is very, very key, guys. You know that when I started out in 2014, I have blown out $90,000 trading account. That time it was devastating for me. And that is the reason that I had an emotional trigger. I had a couple of losing trade and I want to get that money back in my account, and I start to trade emotionally without understanding anything. In one night, the entire account wiped out. If I understood this, like today I understand, I would immediately, if I had a losing trade, if I see that okay, I'm having an emotional trigger, I'm tend to make a bad decision, I immediately leave the trading desk, maybe going for a run or going to the park, or probably focus on something else, watch TV, or maybe bike ride, or whatever you like. Just turn your attention away. The market is always there. There will be tomorrow more trades. Just today, stop it and go somewhere else. This is the only way you can combat that emotional trigger. If you try to resolve this emotional trigger by taking more trades, you ultimately will, blow your account. So to keep your emotion in control, you need to understand the trigger. So once the trigger, just leave it and then go somewhere else. So guys, these are the 5 things that you can do today to instantly improve your trading. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you like it, give a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. Press that bell notification. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon in my next video.